Understanding Mounjaro. Mounjaro is a dietary supplement derived from a rare plant found in the mountains of Eastern Asia. Its roots trace back to traditional medicine, where it was used for various health purposes. The supplement gained popularity in recent years due to its potential to support weight loss. Ingredients and composition. The key to Mounjaro's effectiveness lies in its unique blend of natural ingredients. Typically, Mounjaro supplements contain extracts from the Mounjaro plant, which is rich in antioxidants and other bioactive compounds. These components work synergistically to promote weight loss by addressing multiple aspects of the body's metabolism. 1. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants present in Mounjaro play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. By doing so, they protect cells from oxidative stress, which is often linked to weight gain and various health issues. The reduction of oxidative stress is a foundational step in promoting overall well-being and supporting weight loss. 1. Metabolism boost. Mounjaro is believed to have a positive impact on metabolism, the process by which the body converts food into energy. A faster metabolism can contribute to more efficient calorie burning, making it easier to lose and maintain weight. Additionally, increased metabolic rate can enhance energy levels, providing the stamina needed for regular physical activity. 1. Appetite regulation. One of the challenges in weight loss is managing appetite and cravings. Mounjaro is thought to have appetite-suppressing properties, helping individuals control their caloric intake. This can be especially beneficial for those struggling with overeating or emotional eating habits. Scientific evidence. While anecdotal evidence and traditional use support the potential benefits of Mounjaro, it's essential to consider scientific research. Limited studies have been conducted to explore the specific effects of Mounjaro on weight loss in humans. More research is needed to validate the supplement's efficacy and understand the mechanisms behind its potential benefits fully. Incorporating Mounjaro into your weight loss journey. If you're considering adding Mounjaro to your weight loss regimen, it's crucial to approach it as a complementary element rather than a standalone solution. Here are some tips on incorporating Mounjaro into your weight loss journey. 1. Consultation with healthcare professionals. Before starting any new supplement regimen, consult with your healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history, current medications, and individual needs. 1. Balanced diet. While Mounjaro may offer support, it's not a substitute for a healthy and balanced diet. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body with the essential vitamins and minerals it needs. 1. Regular exercise. Combine Mounjaro with regular physical activity. Exercise is a cornerstone of any effective weight loss plan, contributing to calorie expenditure, muscle toning, and overall well-being. 1. Hydration. Staying well hydrated is crucial for various bodily functions, including metabolism. Ensure you drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Conclusion. Mounjaro presents an intriguing addition to the array of tools available for those on a weight loss journey. While its traditional roots and anecdotal success stories are promising, it's essential to approach Mounjaro with a balanced perspective. Incorporating this supplement alongside a healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, and regular exercise may contribute to your overall well-being and weight loss goals. As with any dietary supplement, consult with healthcare professionals to make informed decisions tailored to your unique needs and circumstances.